Role of Buddhism in the Mauryan Empire. Buddhism played a significant role in shaping the socio-religious landscape of the Mauryan Empire, 322 to 185 BCE. Here are some key aspects. Promotion of Buddhism. 1. Ashoka's conversion. Emperor Ashoka's conversion to Buddhism after the Kalinga War, 261 BCE, marked a significant turning point in the empire's history. 2. Royal patronage. Ashoka actively promoted Buddhism, supporting the construction of monasteries, stupas, and the spread of Buddhist teachings. Impact on society. 1. Social welfare. Buddhism's emphasis on compassion and non-violence led to the establishment of hospitals, veterinary clinics, and other social welfare institutions. 2. Morality and ethics. Buddhist teachings on morality and ethics influenced the empire's social norms, promoting values such as non-violence, tolerance, and self-discipline. 3. Art and architecture. Buddhist art and architecture flourished during this period, with the construction of stupas, monasteries, and sculptures that reflected Buddhist themes and motifs. Changes in governance. 1. Dharma. Ashoka's emphasis on dharma, righteousness, as a guiding principle for governance marked a shift towards more humane and ethical policies. 2. Non-violence. The Mauryan Empire's policies became more peaceful, with Ashoka renouncing war and violence as a means of expanding the empire. Legacy. 1. Spread of Buddhism. The Mauryan Empire's promotion of Buddhism helped spread the religion throughout the Indian subcontinent and beyond. 2. Cultural exchange. Buddhism facilitated cultural exchange between the Mauryan Empire and other regions, influencing art, literature, and philosophy. In conclusion, Buddhism played a significant role in shaping the socio-religious landscape of the Mauryan Empire, promoting values of compassion, non-violence, and morality, and influencing governance, art, and culture.